clear at the same time. I started with the highest possible expectation that you could have. I wanted to find out the secrets of life. It sounds romantic when I hear myself say it, because it's actually quite impersonal. It's not about what one person thinks. It's a hive of activity. Its language is very exclusive. There's nothing democratic about any of this. What are rituals when you think about it, but repetitions that are an echo into the past? A way of looking back and connecting with the past by being here and doing the same thing that they might have done. There's an intellectual desire to find a model that works, a process that hangs on difference and resemblance and the tension between the two. But a lot of it is a kind of limbo, really, between error and partial revelation, where the problems posed to and by the initial hypothesis are worked out and worked through. Curiosity will induce you to keep on searching. Sometimes relationships change because you don't know how to share yourself. But there are so many ways, so many different approaches to finding the closeness that you need. It's a question of definition, a choice of how to reveal yourself. In the middle of the night, she started screaming. "Stop it, stop it. I think it's time to stop this ridiculous experiment." She was dreaming that we were doing this experiment together, and I was working on this huge structure of random components, and she didn't understand what I was doing. But she was doing it with me. But she didn't understand, and she wanted me to stop. We are pretty detached from the objective. We are, in a sense, just serving it, serving the process. We're soldiers. But maybe there is also a side of it that's about domination. Dominating an object with knowledge. She asked me if I was driven by curiosity, a drive to know why something is the way that it is, the power that comes with knowledge. I guess I was really interested in going deeper, going beyond what our senses tell us about ourselves and the world we inhabit. Now I don't want to understand anymore. I don't want to understand what makes us what we are. I don't think it's even possible. It's a reality that doesn't exist somehow. Our goal is so clearly defined, but it doesn't always sit well with the other things that have meaning for you in your life. Those other things you experience as meaningful. The problem lies in relating it to what you are actually experiencing, to what you feel. I prefer to experience things in other ways, where the less I know, the better. A constant letting go of your presumptions. These processes become so unconscious through repetition, almost as if directed by another hand. There is something devotional about this. It's a practice of awareness and reflection. Wondering about existence should be the basis of existence. Although she's a real mystery to me, I have faith our relationship will work out. The attitude affects the reaction. Your mindset influences the success. The rewards of your desires lie in this rigorous persistence, clearness of thought, and accurate action. Once she said to me, she thought one of the most powerful experiences you could have would be to somehow orchestrate your own death, but without actually dying. To plan your own funeral in every detail, the music, the place, the colour of your coffin. To have all your family and friends believe you are dead, to be buried, and then to be pulled back out of the ground like some kind of reverse baptism. Symbolic rebirth. Kind of like the invention of a new ritual, a way of reawakening out of the repetition of daily life, a chance to do some things differently. I really like this idea, although it sounds extreme. But maybe it's not actually about changing, but about rediscovering the things that never change. Try this. Do it like this. It's very relaxing. The surface is really, really soft. It's one of the pleasures I indulge in while waiting. It's the most sensual object in the lab.